principle of PSH 100-3200 series bending machines. The oil pump, driven by motor, draw anti-wear hydraulic oil and fuel cylinder. The cylinder rod drives the beam, whose bottom can be fixed on different mode to move up and down reciprocatingly. With the occlude of the up and down moving mode and the mode of bottom work table surface, the material filled in between modes is bended into certain angle. The entire process of bending is controlled by professional CNC bending machine control system. The distribution of both ends of fuel is controlled by dedicated digital closed-loop hydraulic system, which also named as electro-hydraulic proportional servo control system. The machine frame adopts an all-steel welded structure which possesses sufficient rigidity, excellent anti-distortion and anti-tilt capability to eliminate stress through high-temperature annealing and guarantee the overall accuracy of fuselage. Machinery is configured standard 3+1 axle that Y1, Y2, XV, Y1, Y2 axle respectively shows operational locations of left and right cylinder. X-axis denotes back gorge and the V-axle shows the flexivity compensation of bottom work table. We may also increase R-axle and the Z1, Z2 axle. R-axle shows up and down position of back gorge. Z1, Z2 axles the location of back gorge. CNC system uses Switzerland cyberspace rams bending machine. Dedicated CNC system. The standard configuration is DNC 600, which is highly integrated, a 5.5-inch high-contrast LCD, high-quality large-scale waterproof, dirty-proof touch keyboard, simple and efficient programming operation, direct programming perspective, automatic calculation of bending depth, automatically adjustment of pressure characteristics, and provide value-added CYBACK random computer backup software. Home control system uses Germany Herbage Company bending machine dedicated digital closed-loop hydraulic system through the grating device to detect beam synchronization error dynamically, through the NC system to control electro-hydraulic servo valve to correct the synchronization error of beam. In the circumstances of partial contain, will always be able to maintain slider balance with the table. On both left and right sides of beam, they are assembled original imported Austria RSF high-precision optical grating used to determine the exact distance of slider and workstations. The grating device is installed in the bowl-shaped rack. Accurate location data can be fed back to the NC system. It measures and outputs servo valve control signals, thereby positioning accuracy of less than or equal to the slider 0.02 mm, slider repeat positioning accuracy of less than 0.01 mm equivalent. The cylinder adopted original imported Germany double seal plate SHARJAH color, which guaranteed that the pistons impermeable, and adopted Germany initial imported Harbinger internal gear pump, which is of high performance, small noise, small size, and a characteristic power. Pipeline system adopts Germany EMB pipeline system, with no permeability phenomenon and a convenient maintenance. Motivity and feedback of back gorge are supplied by high performance AC servo motor and a driver imported from Japan. This configuration guarantees timely, rapidly, and accurate operation position feedback, thereby ensuring that the components are high precision and high efficiency operation. Adoption of Taiwan, Hawaii, or Yan-Ta ball screw and linear guide bears characteristics of no deformation, high precision and stable operating, outfitted with hydraulic flexible compensations, working table, and controlled through CNC control system to ensure the machine accuracy. Mold adopts common standards of sheet metal industries to meet the needs of processing plates with different thickness. Support sheet frame is installed on the front to help workers loading. The main components use the Schneider electric products. At the same time, can use the following configuration: Cybalic DNC 60 SNC system, Cybalic DNC 880 SNC system, Cyclic Moldova 10S NC system, Cyclic Moldova 12S NC system, Delum DA65 WNC, R-Axis NC, NC Z1, Z2 real, electric control Z1, Z2 around mobile, 2 machine interaction devices. The methods of operation. Firstly, after initial installation and according to the instruction, adding hydraulic oil. Secondly, inspect hydraulic oil scale and exterior of machines, as well as whether the slider is blocked. Thirdly, connect power according to the logo, and quickly shut down the pumps. After confirming it's in the correct direction, check running direction of back gorge. If it agrees with the logo, work it 3 to 5 minutes unloaded, and then begin formal work. Fourthly, adjust the bending mode according to the thickness, shape, width, and angle required. Fifthly, according to the angle and the bending sequence of the work piece, set up bending procedures, force and location of back gorge in the NC system. Then start bending. The daily maintenance of products. Give daily lubrication to machine components, screw, guides, as well as those with the bearing lubrication maintenance signs. Check the existence of leakage of cylinder. Ensure that hydraulic cylinder is filled with a liquid level of 4/5. In the high temperature and humid conditions, maintain surface rust-proof of the back gorge material, blades and metal exposed in the air. Pay attention to check and precautions of serious deformation and a crack phenomenon of machine components resulted from eccentric load, overload operation, and high-intensity running.